Good day, everyone. We are Group 5, and today we will be presenting our topic entitled The Marketing Mix for the Business Opportunity and Developing a Brand Name. In this presentation, we will discuss the meaning of the marketing mix and its 7 important elements that help business attract customers and achieve success.
Before discussing the 7 P's, let us first understand what a marketing mix is. A marketing mix is a tool that helps businesses market their products or services effectively. It helps companies meet customer needs, make better marketing decisions, and gain an advantage over competitors. The marketing mix is made up of the 7 P's, which work together to help a business succeed.
Let us begin with the first P, which is product. Product refers to the goods or services offered by a business to meet the needs and wants of customers. It is considered the foundation of the marketing mix because it is the main reason customers choose to purchase from a business. A good product should provide value to customers through its quality, features, design, and overall performance. Businesses must ensure that their products meet customer expectation in order to remain competitive in the market. For example, in a customized cake business, the product is the cake itself. Customers may choose a specific recipe or design based on the quality, features, design, performance, and purchasing decision. The, se- the second P is price. Price is the amount customers pay for a product or service. It is an important element of the marketing mix because it directly influences both customer purchasing decisions and the profitability of a business. The price of a product often determines whether customers perceive it as affordable, reasonable, or worth buying. When setting a price, businesses consider several factors, including production costs, operating expenses, market demand, and competitor pricing. These factors help businesses determine a price that is fair to customers while still generating sufficient profit. In addition, pricing can affect the image of a product. For example, products with higher prices are often perceived as having higher quality, while products with lower prices may attract more budget-conscious customers. Because of this, businesses must carefully develop pricing strategies that align with their target market and business objectives.
Moving on to the 3rd P, which is promotion. Promotion refers to the different methods and strategies used by businesses to communicate information about their products or services to potential customers. Its main purpose is to create awareness, generate interest, and encourage customers to make a purchase. Promotion plays an important role in the marketing mix because even if a business offers a high quality product, at a reasonable price, customers may not purchase it if they are unaware of its existence. Through effective promotion, businesses can inform customers about the features, benefits, and value of their products. Businesses use various promotional tools such as advertising, social media marketing, sales promotions, public relations, and word of mouth marketing. These strategies help businesses reach their target market, attract new customers, and maintain strong relationships with existing ones. For example, in a customized cake business, promotion can be done by posting pictures and videos of cakes on social media platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. The business may also offer discounts, special deals, or giveaways to attract more customers. By showcasing attractive cake designs and positive customer feedback online, the business can increase its visibility and encourage more people to place orders. Therefore, promotion is essential because it helps businesses build brand awareness, communicate with customers, and increase sales.
Moving on to the fourth P, which is place. Place refers to the location or distribution channels where customers can access, purchase, or receive a product or service. It focuses on ensuring that products are available in the right place, at the right time, and in a way that is convenient for customers. Place is an important element of the marketing mix because even if a business offers a high quality product and promotes it effectively, customers may still have difficulty purchasing it if it is not easily accessible. Business must therefore choose appropriate distribution method to make their products available to their target market. In today's business environment, product can be sold through various channels, including physical stores, online platforms, and delivery services. For example, in a customized cake business, customers may place their orders through social media platforms such as Facebook or Instagram, through a website, or by visiting a physical store. The cake may then be picked up by the customer or delivered directly to their homes. By providing multiple ordering and delivery options, the business can make its product more convenient and accessible to customers. Therefore, place plays a significant role in customers' satisfaction because it ensures the product are readily available and easy to obtain. An effective distribution strategy can help business reach more customers and increase sales.
Moving on to the fifth P, which is people. People refer to all individuals who are involved in a business, including employees, management, and customers. They play a vital role in the success of a business because they directly influence the quality of service and the overall customer experience. In the marketing mix, people are considered important because customers often evaluate a business not only based on its products, but also on how they are treated. Employees who are knowledgeable, professional, and approachable can create a positive impression and encourage customers to return. Furthermore, good customer service helps build trust and strengthen relationship between the business and its customers. When customers receive excellent service, they are more likely to become loyal to the brand and recommend it to others. For example, in a customized cake business, the bakers, decorators, cashiers, and delivery personnel all contribute to customer satisfaction. If employees communicate politely, understand customers' preferences, and ensure that orders are completed accurately and on time, customers are more likely to have a positive experience with the business.
Another important element of the marketing mix is packaging. Packaging refers to the materials and design used to hold, protect, and present a product. It is often the first thing customers notice, so it plays a big role in attracting attention. Besides protecting the product from damage, packaging helps create a good impression and strengthens the brand's identity. A well designed package can make a product look more attractive and memorable. For example, in a customized cake business, packaging may include a sturdy cake box, ribbons, stickers, or a personalized design that matches the cake's theme. Attractive packaging not only protects the cake during delivery, but also improves the customer's experience. Therefore, packaging is important because it adds value to the product, promotes the brand, and can influence customers' buying decisions.
And finally, let us discuss the seventh and the last element of the marketing mix, which is process. Process refers to the producer and activities involved in delivering a product or service to customers. It included every step from receiving an order to providing the final product. A well-organized process helps businesses operate efficiency, maintain consistency, and ensure customer satisfaction. When processes are smooth and effective, customers are more likely to have a positive experience with the business. For example, in a customized cake business, the process begins with the customer place an order. The business then confirms the design and details prepared and decorate the cake, process the payment, and finally deliver the product to the customer. Each step is important in ensuring that the customer receives the expected product on time. Therefore, an effective process helps improve service quality, increase customer satisfaction, and contribute to the overall success of the business. With that, we have discussed the seventh element of the marketing mix: product, price, promotion, place, people, packaging, and process. Each element plays an important role in helping business understand customer needs, create value, and achieve business success. And we hope that this presentation was provide you a better understand of how the marketing mix contributes to effective marketing strategies and brand development. Thank you for watching and our presentation and have a great day.